Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. We need to talk about something, effort. We're going to take a little bit of a break for a little while because I have a lot going on, lot coming up, and I don't want to split my effort. So don't ever, if you're pursuing something that you're wanting to do well, don't give it partial energy. So that's also one thing I had a trouble with when I was learning programming. I realized that I was only giving it half effort. So this is actually a good time to talk about that, and also to touch on the community button, the community tab, excuse me, on the page. That now that I have 1,000 subscribers, I have a community tab. So I have a poll there. So that is helping me kind of understand where the channel is, but I'm going to take a break for a little while. Need to line up some stuff. And again, I just want to show you guys the respect that you deserve. Don't want to be putting out half-effort videos. So I'm going to get my act together, my stuff together, and then we'll be back real soon. But please keep commenting. Please keep sharing. Have had more shares in the past 2 months than I've had altogether. So please keep dropping the comments, and please make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.